Ray diagrams of convex lens, also called biconvex lens. So this is convex lens. You can see bulged out surface here. So this is the shape of a convex lens. In this convex lens, this curved surface got from this sphere. So this is the center of this sphere, and this curved surface got from this sphere. This is the center of this sphere. But sake of convenience, we use this symbol for the convex lens. This is P, optic center or pole. So here you can get C2. So half of the distance between pole and center is focus. We have already knowledge in our 9th class. In the same way you can get focus. Generally we write double the focus is center of the curvature. This is a convex lens and this is principal axis. So you have to take distance like 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter, but it must be equal. So that is a focal length and this is double the focal length. This is a 2f1. This is center of the curvature. A ray started here and passing through the principal axis. It is undeviated. This is a first ray. This is second ray which passes from the pole undeviated. This is third ray. These rays are parallel to the principal axis, which strikes at convex lens and converges at a point, that is the focus. Here is the fourth ray. Rays passing through focus will take the parallel path to the principal axis. These are 4 rays to required construct ray diagrams. See, this is a focal plane. If any parallel rays comes with certain angle to the principal axis, forms image at focal plane. See, these all are parallel rays but same angle with principal axis, and which can form an image at focal plane. Now we can construct ray diagrams. See, object at infinite distance. So parallel rays comes from object which converges at a focus and forms point sized image, and object beyond C2. So here C2 nothing but double the focus. So a parallel ray comes from object and converges at focus, and the ray passing through the pole undeviated. These both rays intersects here and image forms here. So image forms between f2 and 2f2, and object on C2. So that is double the focus. A parallel ray converges from focus, and undeviated ray at pole, image forms here, and object between center of the curvature and focus. So a parallel ray comes from here and converges at focus, and a ray comes from object and coincides at pole, which is undeviated. So image, and next object on focus. So you can get parallel ray and undeviated ray. We can get image at infinite distance. So object between pole and focus. This is the parallel ray. It converges at focus, and this is the ray passes throughout the pole, which is undeviated, but we can't get any image here. So we can get imaginary line. So here you can get image which is the same side of the lens. So these are the ray diagrams.